is just going to be a short video here to announce that I'm, for the time being, taking a step back. One is to focus on some things outside of YouTube and in my life that I want to kind of direct my focus to for a bit and just fully divert my attention to. And two, because there is another new video series here on the channel I'm currently working on behind the scenes, but it's going to take a while to kind of get all the parts together. I did kind of talk about this a while back in one of my Bush Life Season 2 episodes, I believe, going at how I'm planning a big project, and this probably will be one of my more ambitious ones, so it is taking a bit and money to get this together. So I'm taking the time to kind of focus on that and figure out how it's all going to work and just getting all the bits I need to make it happen. And also just to focus on some other things that I've been not really finding the time for because I've been making these videos, and overall I think I just need a little break as well to focus on these other things. There's lots of exciting things I want to trial outside of the videos for a bit, so I want to give that a go while trying to organise a new series in the process. So hopefully it turns out to be a banger. Hopefully it's fun. It's going to be trying things a little bit different, more professional, something I haven't really done before, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, stay tuned. This is not the end. This is just a break. I don't know for how long. There still may be a video here and there. If I have something I feel like I want to upload, I'll upload it if I do something cool. But yeah, there might just be a lack of videos for a while. But yeah, you know what? I've really been in the headspace of quality over quantity lately, and I think that's where I want to stay at. So yeah, I just thought I'd kind of get my thoughts out, let you guys know what's going on, and for anyone who is interested, now you know. So hopefully we can create something cool. Anyways, I'll catch yous.